Alright guys, Doughboyo here. I did a little diss to my man Dark Mecca. Y'all might like it. Shit. I don't know, I don't care. Requested by my nigga Loud. So here it is. What's that nigga Dark? Got my dirty sprite with me. Man, that fuck that nigga Dark Mecca dragon. Motherfucker, his name is Dark Mecca drag queen. Man, all he do is fucking run too. Man, ain't nobody trying to fight him no more, cause he alive. Flying up shit, flying down shit, flying away shit, run away shit, he on that key blast shit, flying up shit, flying down shit, run away shit, he on that flying up shit. What the hell he doing? Man, he is a pussy, man, he starting all this shit, he ain't shit but a hoe, man, he ain't got no face. Telling you right now, nigga, I see no views on him. Man, nobody know that nigga is fucking exist. He start shit, but he cannot back it up like damn. Telling you right now, nigga, I'm about to be out. I just had to do him for now, man, I'm telling you. Man, I seen this nigga named Dark Nigga Dragon. Went to his lobby and I challenged him like damn. Man, he said this challenge and I just embarrassed him. Now he scared of me and scared of my nigga Loud too. I'm on that shit. Flying up shit, flying down shit, run away shit, he on that fly up shit, fly down shit, run away shit, keep bustin' shit, he on that fly up shit, fly down shit, fly around shit, run away shit. Telling you right now, my dog, I ain't playing no games. Man, I went the phone, man, I got Goku on lane. Goku whooped your ass, my nigga, Hercule, he kills you. That's fucking shame, nigga, you just wouldn't stop. Stop playing these games, man, you are not competitive. You just all tall and no action, pussy boy. Man, I'm telling you right now, I seen that nigga Dark. Nigga Dragon went to his lobby too. Challenge him, I just embarrassed him on the tube. What the hell he doing, man? He ain't shit but a lube. Flying up shit, flying down shit, flying around shit, run away shit, he on that fly up shit, fly down shit, fly blast shit, run away shit, he on that fly up shit, fly down shit, up down shit, run away shit, he on that fly up shit. Run away shit.